Quoting on jobs is the most important part of being a garage on Who Can Fix My Car. Every day, thousands of jobs are posted by drivers needing to find a great local garage. It's crucial that you quote on jobs that you are matched with so that you can start talking to drivers and win work. Every time we match you with a job, we send you an alert. This is done by email and also as an alert on your newsfeed. To view your alerts, click the Alerts tab. We recommend clicking View Job before quoting. This way you can see any additional information the driver has provided. To quote on a job, scroll down the page and select a template. Personalise the message with the driver name. Enter the price separately for parts and labour, or just put the total price, but make sure you're including everything. Once you have entered the price in the message, add the total price to the quote box below. Make sure they match and hit apply. If you wish to see the commission price before you quote on a job, you can view it at the bottom of the page underneath the quote box. Once your quote is gone, try and give the customer a call within a couple of hours. To recap, quoting manually is essential to being successful on Who Can Fix My Car. Make sure you're regularly checking your newsfeed and emails for new alerts and get quoting straight away.